this time. Siddhi. The word Siddhi in Sanskrit means जो कुछ है तुम्हारे पास में वो तुमने उसको सिद्ध कर लिया. सिद्ध कर लिया हम कब बोलते हैं कि हाँ ये कला हमने सिद्ध कर ली, कि हमने हमारे में नाचने की कला है, उसको हमने इतना प्रैक्टिस किया कि अब बड़ी आसानी से अब उसको कर सकते हैं, तो वो सिद्ध हो गया. पाक कला में तुमने सिद्धि प्राप्त कर ली, फिर उसको बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हो, उसको बोलते हैं सिद्धि. तो सिद्धि उसी चीज की हो सकती है जो तुम्हारे में ऑलरेडी नियत है. What is already there within you, when it completely gets active and manifested and for you to use, that is siddhi. तो तुम्हारे में ये एक कला है कि तुम दूसरों को हेल्प कर सकती हो, बड़ी आसानी से आता है तुम्हारे लिए, वो तुमने सिद्ध कर लिया है. लेकिन एक्चुअलाइजेशन की एक और बात है. If you have to reach that self actualization, you should be able to do it that in that way that it is for your highest good and for the larger good also. It should not end up harming you or the larger universe in any way. So that is why I try to add this statement in your tapping whenever I have the space in choosing, that for my highest good and for the highest good of the infinite being, पूरे universe के लिए, because we are a small spoke in this whole wheel of universe. Every little thing that we do contributes to it, and it cannot happen unless and until the universe cooperate with us. We try and force it and manipulate it and make it cooperate with us in different way. But sometime or the other, then it takes its chance and sets the balance right. So हम भले एक force करके एक बार भले सही हो जाए. And that is why I am repeatedly telling you that don't be in a hurry कि अच्छा अभी ये एक बार सही हो गया यानी कि हो गया. नहीं, एक बार सही तो हमारा ज्यादा विल पावर होता है, जहाँ सारी मेहनत होती है उससे हो जाता है, लेकिन वो फिर टेम्पररी होगा. Lasting it will be if it is in tune and in harmony with nature, when it is for the larger good also. The same thing about being helpful. If you are being helpful and it is not really helping the entire nature, it is not in harmony, you will find that often it ends up giving you wrong results, bad results, some bad effects somewhere. Like you're saying that people in the home complains that you don't look after them enough while you help the rest of the world. But you are doing it at the cost of your natural duty. है ना? तो नेचुरल ड्यूटी यदि छोड़ के हम दूसरा वो कर रहे हैं, तो इट इज नॉट फॉर योर हाईएस्ट गुड. हाईएस्ट गुड तो तब होगा जब बैलेंस होगा, है ना? It not just generally that is of course the first duty, but what is important is that this should not neglect that and that should not neglect this. You should have a balance. The important is to attain balance. So that is why to be able to bring about balance, you need to know both the sides. So you know your physical activity. You also need to know your mental activity. And all the other factors that are involved. For the time being, we are looking at just these two factors. We will look at other factors. Once we learn to look at a holistic thing, overall view, only then can we balance. खाली एक तरफ देख के तो बैलेंस होता नहीं है. बैलेंस करना है तो जो भी सब इन्वॉल्व है, सभी की थोड़ी थोड़ी जितनी भी जरूरतें हैं, तो एटलीस्ट उसको मैनेज करके होता है ना? So balancing is a job of responsibility, and it cannot happen without having overall knowledge and complete understanding of any situation. So to begin with, our own self. We know ourselves as body and mind. So at least let us maintain balance in this body and mind, है ना? So that is what the time log activity is all about.